Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be working on the Skyline again. Got a bit going on, but at the moment the garage is looking a bit messy, so I think I might start by just cleaning everything up. Stuff everywhere under it, because I was building my SS and put that back together, but yeah, there's crap everywhere. So just gonna clean this all up, get it nice clean working area, and then we'll start by doing something. But yeah, just stay tuned. I'll just get this cleaned up real quick. So yeah, just wait here. Alright, so it is a massive mess around here at the moment, but I've just loaded up the ute full of metal, and yeah, it looks like a big mess, but like the corners and everything are clean. It's not focusing, but yeah, everything will be clean. So yeah, getting there, about to go to a dump run, and we'll be back. Alright, so slowly getting there. It's been probably about 4 hours now, but starting to look a bit more neater. That's all stuff I'm keeping. It's old oil. I found a shelf, so I might set the shelf up so I can build stuff there, and I might actually move my toolbox from over there to over here so I can work on my car. It's got a few bits and pieces here. Cleaned it the whole way down there. It's got to sweep everything and clean the floor. But yeah, I've got the ute loaded up again, about to go to another dump run. I've got some Jay-Z stuff there and a heap of Jay-Z stuff that's underneath here. I'm going to send it to Jamie down Broomstick Factory. If you know, you know. But yeah, I've got a front bar and some side skirts for the Skyline here, but yeah, not much left now of the garage. It's pretty well nearly empty. That's Haley. Alright, so yeah, just gonna go out to the dump now and get rid of this if it doesn't cost me anything. Pay rates and everything, so dump should be free, but we'll go. Okay, now that I've sort of cleaned up my whole workshop a bit, and I've got a bit more room to work on, whole floor's clean and cleared out. Now it's time to get into the real stuff. And as you can see, I've got no fuel system there. I've got a fuel pump and lines running up there, but then I've got this package here. It's a BPP RB25 Fuel Rail, and I've got 1650cc injectors off Colby parts. So what we've got to work out, I've worked out that the bracket's got to go on there like that, and I've just dummy fitted it up in here, and I think you've got to run a spacer there because my injectors are high, so, and everything seems to line up. So yeah, I've just got to mount this bracket, which I've just dummy fitted there to make sure it works. And yeah, got to do the same to the other side and dummy fit it up, and then when it's all ready to go in, I'll throw it in, and got to put some fittings on the end of it, which are supplied here in the kit. So I'll go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so I've mounted up the brackets here, and they're all flush and neat. And sure enough, she fits awesome. Fits awesome. So I was just gonna throw some injectors in as a dummy fit. But the next issue I've run into, I've got my injector here, 1650 cc's, and it's just way too loose in there. So I was like, oh yep, it comes with these adapters. So I was like, sweet, we'll put that back in there. So I've tried to put that in there, and sure enough, doesn't work. And when I sold the old purple HKS Fuel Rail, I sold it with these inserts because they were ruined anyway, so that's not gonna work. And then I was like, oh, not to worry, it came with these adapters for the injector. They go on there just to extend it. So I was like, yeah, sweet. We'll put that in there, and guess what? Same thing again. It's, yeah, loose, not gonna work. So thinking about going back to the stock manifold with a PLAZMAMAN top half, forward racing. So that's ruined that. It's not gonna happen today. Yeah, not impressed. Oh well. Awesome product. And the FREDDY trash, which I was going to change anyway. I just didn't want to. but now it looks like I'm gonna have to. So yeah, more money. I've also fit up this Kinewana to GDX 3076 with a 0.73 rear housing. I've only just clocked it. It's got a custom wheel on it that the mate Dan has sent me. It's yeah, real good, awesome product, and I'm going to test it for him and give him a sheet of dyno and see what it goes like. If not, he said he'll just replace it for me. I've still got to clock the center around and make up some water lines because it's only ever run oil feed to it. I've never had water lines in the old setup. I've got to get a dump pipe and stuff made up, but I've got someone that's going to fab all that. We'll see that later date. Got to delete the whole intercooler kit and fit up a new intercooler. I might get a PLAZMAMAN cooler while I get the PLAZMAMAN top half, but yeah, that's not happening today, so don't know what I'm going to do right now, but yeah, we'll see what happens. While I'm here, I'll show you what other parts I've got to install. So this still has the standard cam sensor, and I've got a New Zealand wiring cam trigger kit, so I'm going to be installing that. I've also got a FPR 1200 here I've got to install, and got like a wideband and a Mac valve. I've got a power tune dash with the bracket. I've got to install that as well, and all my sensors. What else? Got to put my screamer pipe on, which is here, but I might get a new screamer pipe made up. That's just a bit of a fence. Yeah, it used to sit straight down, but yeah, I'll get my fab guy to fix that up. I've got my new fuel pump in there. I've also got some plates there. If you know, you know. And yeah, I've got to get I'm going to get a whole brand new wiring specialties wiring harness for it. I just got to talk to my tuner, Jono Pace. He sorted me out with all the whole link system. I've got a whole link catalog in here almost. So I got to, yeah, talk to him what setup I'm going to run. I'm probably going to run 35 GDR coils in it with 1650 cc injectors, PLAZMAMAN top half and a standard manifold. I'll run a PLAZMAMAN cooler and custom cooler piping and custom exhaust. Got a 6 boost on there. It's a fully built forged motor as well. I've got to get light bulbs for it. I fixed that up in a previous video, but yeah, a bit going on, so I'm really not too sure what I'm going to do right now. I might have to go and order some parts. I might rip this intake manifold off and go get a standard one. I've got one laying around somewhere. I might throw that on, see what happens, see how keen I get, but yeah, stay tuned. Alright, so it's the next day here now, and yeah, as you can see, nothing's happened since just now, but yeah, I've decided that I'm going to be pulling the intake manifold off and putting the standard bottom half on with the PLAZMAMAN top, as you just heard. So yeah, gonna get in and probably rip that out and see what's going on with that. So I'll get that happening now. It's pretty simple. Just got to undo the plugs and the idle air control valve. It's down there, and just a few vac lines and boost lines, and yeah, throttle cable. But yeah, just a few bolts on the top and some on the bottom. Won't be too hard to do, so I'll just rip that off right now. Alright, so I'm just about to just unplug a few bits and pieces here, but then I need to pull the whole engine harness out anyway, so I'm going to undo all the wiring harness for everything, and because I'm taking the plenum off, this goes through there anyway, so I'm going to just drain the radiator, and it needs to be flushed out anyway. Pretty sure it's got a bit of coolant in it, but yeah, we'll find out. But yeah, there's just a bung down there, so I'll just undo that and undo these hoses and probably replace these hoses anyway. We'll see. Let's make it happen now. You see this bolt down here? You can't get to it, so you just gotta chisel it out. Gotta love them FREDDYs. Oh yeah, I think I moved it. Oh, come on, please. Please move for me. Oh, I think it moved like a ½ mil. We're getting places. Oh, yes. Oh no, it fell. Oh, there we go. Oh, see that? Moved a mil.
When it's there, can we get the socket on it?
Yeah, maybe. Hopefully.
Where's that?
No. Serious? I don't like this game.
Yeah, it was fucking very poor design there. And I think someone, like, if that was a 13 mil like the rest of them, then we might be able to get somewhere.
I dare say it's been put on when the motor was out of the car.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, right. That's enough. Alright, so we've just got it out. It's finger tight, but the socket's only just on it. And we're making things happen. Just like that, it's come out.
Yeah, I think there's 3 more.
Alright. Now to do the rest of them. Alright, so we've got all the bolts off there now. Don't worry about that. I believe that we're going to be hitting this master for the clutch. Yeah, we are. Because it started at the back, so no good. It's hitting right there. So yeah, you're gonna have to pull the master off. That's alright. It's 2 bolts and there's a clip in the pedal. So I'll do that real quick and then we can pull it off. Alright, well that was a bit of a mission. Had to undo the clutch master cylinder up here, unbolted it from the pedal, and yeah, with these studs and all, yeah, it's a bit of movement and everything, but yeah, got it off and it's sitting down here now. So I was gonna pull all these sensors and like idle air control off and whatnot, and yeah, put a standard one back on it, I suppose. So I'm gonna have to go and source one of them, but yeah, we'll go and make that happen. So that's about it for the minute. We'll find something else to do now. Alright, so I've just gone and bought myself a PLAZMAMAN intake manifold, but I just got to wait until tomorrow to get that. Hopefully it's going to fit with the clutch master up there. If not, I'll see if I can get like a short one or something made up. I don't know. Hopefully, pretty sure it should fit. It's on the stock runners with a PLAZMAMAN top. But yeah, I think that's going to be it for this video. So yeah, be sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, comment down below if you want to see some more videos of this awesome motor vehicle here. But yeah, plenty more to do, and then we can go drifting. So I'll see you on the next video. Cheers guys.